The Go family are visiting Croaky Castle.
Look at the castle! It's just like a fairy tale!
Maya's very excited. Who can blame her?
Castle!
Oh, and Sammy too.
Let's go! Wow! I can't believe how big it is in here!
Welcome to Croaky Castle. I'm Maguire the Squire, and this was once home to the illustrious Worthy family. They were best known for having invented... Oh, well, I never.
What's wrong?
You look exactly like the princess that once lived here. Princess Ima Worthy. See for yourself.
He's right. You have the same hair, same eyes, same everything.
Do you have any kings or queens in the family?
I don't think so. Do we, Mama?
No, I'm from a long line of carpet fitters.
And my family were egglers.
Egglers?
Yes, they sold eggs.
Strange. There's definitely a resemblance.
So could I have been a princess?
Yes, you could have been.
And I would have been the king.
But you look more like this guy.
A cow herder?
Oh.
Dada! It really does look like you!
Well, that settles it. The princess and the cowherder.
Maya go every day. Maya go laugh and play. Maya go, what do we say? Maya go, Your Royal Highness.